Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Aircraft Practical Maintenance, in which I am posting videos on the different aircrafts for the different system. So this video is about the thrust reverser deactivation for flight for the A320 V2500 engine. So this video will describe about the three procedure which we have to implement. The first procedure is to open the fan cowl, left fan cowl, and access the hydraulic control unit on which we have the isolation valve. So this isolation valve, there is a lever which has to be selected to inhibit, and there is a quick disconnect pin, the locking pin, which has to be inserted in the locking slot. Then after that we have to access the translating sleeves from the outside. There you will find two slots. One is on the lower side, one on the upper side. Upper side we have a bolt, and the lower side we have a pin stowage. So you have to remove the bolt and the pin, and pin now has to be put in the bolt place, and the bolt has to be put in the pin stowage place. So this you have to carry out on both the inboard as well as the outboard translating sleeve. So this is the second procedure. After that you have to inhibit the thrust reverser from the MCDU. So in the flight deck, select on the CFDS system report test, then select the engine option. From the engine option, then you select the thrust reverser inhibition, change the status from not inhibit to the inhibit. So this is like the full procedure. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel so that it will motivate me to put many more videos like this. I hope you will like it. uh, Thank you very much. Let us begin our video. Okay.